In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your GoDaddy domain on Wix. And don't worry, this process will only take about 5 minutes. This is ideal for anyone wanting to manage all their website needs through Wix while keeping their domain from GoDaddy. Let's break it down into easy, comprehensible steps so you can get your GoDaddy domain linked to your Wix website seamlessly. First, let's start by heading to your GoDaddy product page. Simply navigate to the GoDaddy website and be sure you're logged in. Once you're there, you'll need to locate your name, username, or your initials right at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and give that a click. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select My Products. This will take you to a page where all your GoDaddy products are listed. It's quite straightforward, but important to ensure you're in the right section so that you can easily find the domain you need. Next, when you're on the My Products page, look under the Domains section. Here, you'll see a list of your domains. Choose the one you want to link to your Wix website and make sure to copy it. You can do this by simply highlighting the domain name and using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C or Command+C if you're on a Mac. Copying it will make it super easy to paste later. Now that you have your domain name copied, it's time to head over to Wix. Open a new tab in your browser and log into your Wix account. Once logged in, everything you need will be on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll want to scroll down to find the Settings option. It's situated almost at the bottom on that left sidebar, so make sure to scroll all the way down. After clicking on Settings, you'll see a list of options. Look for Domains under the Site, Domain and SEO category. This is where all the domain magic happens. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the Domain